even we would not want to spend a single night on the street. Like, not all families are happy families. Children are forced to work as a domestic help, bonded laborers, as a agriculture's laborers. In the fields, in addition, they face violence at hands of alcoholic parents. The child mind is very tender and cannot bear so much. They have a big dream, so they try to escape another place, a promised land of lights and opportunities. I'm Dev Raz. You can call me Dev, and I take pride to do this street kid walk, and I'm also one of the street kids. Since so many children, they live on the street, but you didn't know behind them where they are from, how do they come on the street, what they have reasons. Like whenever they meet their families, relatives who work in the big cities, come home, they boast about the great life. Young children are too easily attracted to the wonderful stories and meet a movie star or two. Sometimes the child craves to study and moves to the city for better education, apart from broken homes, poverty, natural tragedies, calamities. Girls are not educated, the boys are higher educated, they are engineers, doctors. And the boys' parents demand to girls' parents, if you are marrying to my son, so you have to pay for this much money. And whenever girls heard about this, they ran away from home. They earn money on the street to do rag picking, to do pickpocketing, do shoe shining, all these things. See, all these are bottles. It's like 1 kilo plastic bottle is 22 rupees. And all newspaper is 30 rupees. You can see they also sell all these things. Mostly street children spend money in two ways. The first is entertainment, and the second is drugs. Whenever they sniff that glue, their mind is not working, their brain is not working, they didn't know what's going with them. Those kids who don't want to join shelter home. Why? Because of drugs. They love to take glue. They join contact point, but they come here regularly. They collect those stuffs here, and plastic bottles, and they can sell over there, this market. This is garbage place. कहाँ?
देश साफ करते, देश को साफ करते, बोतल चुन के उठाते।
बोतलें लेके आते हैं।
बोतल गद्दा, शहर की बोतल पौवा, आधा पौवा ये सब
कहाँ पे रहते हो?
रहते हम यहीं पे हैं।
These children, they don't want to join shelter home because they thought shelter home is jail for them. They want freedom, and they live on the street, under the breeze, and outside the God temple, outside the metro stations.
So these are the blankets, so whenever they want to sleep here, so they can take blankets from here and they can sleep here.
They don't spend money on food because in India there are lots of places like God temple, Sikh temples, mosque temple where they provide free food. आजकल का माहौल जो है बहुत अलग है, और मान लो पिम्स होते हैं, बोलते हैं नई लड़की आई, उनको बोलते हैं कि आप मेरे साथ चलो, वहाँ पे ये मिलेगा वो मिलेगा, सपना दिखाते हैं, बट उनको पता नहीं है कि एग्जैक्टली हो क्या रहा है और ये बोल क्या रहे हैं, तो उनको प्रोस्टिट्यूशन एरिया में भेज देते हैं और वहाँ से उनको निकलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। बहुत सारी चीज़ें झेलनी पड़ती है लड़कियों को।
I'm Annie and I'm 18 years old and I'm from Salam Bala Trust. Right now it works with 10,000 children and 250 full-time staff members. And presently we have 7 shelter homes, 13 contact points and a mobile van in CP. So basically contact point are motivational centers where we just motivate them to join our shelter homes or return back to their families. Yeah. And shelter homes are full care residential centers where they provide us food, education, games, clothes, security and recreation activities as well.
बच्चे जो होते हैं ना फर्स्ट टाइम पे आते हैं तो उनको शेल्टर होम में ना रहना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, और ऑब्वियसली किसी बच्चे को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। जैसे फर्स्ट टाइम आएंगे, इन बच्चों के साथ घुल मिलना टाइम लगता है, तो उनको लगता है कि जल्दी से जल्दी यहाँ से निकल जाऊँ। और सेम विद मी, जब मैं फ़र्स्ट टाइम आया था तो मुझे बाहर नहीं जाने दे रहे थे, तो मैं दम घुट रहा था मेरा अंदर ही अंदर। तो ये सबके साथ होता है, मेरे साथ हुआ है, क्योंकि मेरे साथ हुआ है इसलिए मैं जानता हूँ कि सबके साथ ऐसा होता है। और जब भी मैं आता हूँ यहाँ पे कुछ एक्टिविटी करता हूँ तो सब लोग मुझे सर बोलते हैं, क्योंकि उनको पता नहीं है मैं कौन हूँ। मैंने एक बार सब बच्चों के साथ मैंने अपने बारे में बताया कि मैं आप जैसा हूँ। मैं जब फर्स्ट टाइम आया था तो आपके जैसे रहता था, और ये मेरा लॉकर था, इसमें मैं कपड़े रखता था, ये तो उनको यकीन ही नहीं होता। तो एक बच्चा था जो बोल रहा है कि मुझे भी आपके जैसे गाइड करना है, अंग्रेज़ों को घुमाना है, ऐसे। अब बाहर बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं, बाहर नई दुनिया है, अलग